This is how to back up photos on the Google Photos app. If you haven't already, must go to the App Store, look up Google Photos, and update and install this app. Once you've done that, let's open up Google Photos. As soon as you open it up, we're going to log in. We're going to connect our Gmail/Google account to the app. Once you've done that, we're going to go in the top right to our profile. And as you can see for me right here, it says it's backing up. It already is. It's backing up around 1,000 items. And how I went to set that up, we're going to go through it right now. First thing we'll do is make sure we are connected to the Google account that we want to back up our photos onto. Once you've done that, we're going to go down here to Google Photos settings. We're going to go to the first option that says backup. And make sure this top one right here is enabled. Once you enable that, every time that you open up Google Photos, as long as there is enough storage space in that account that you're currently using, Google Photos will automatically back up your photos. Basically, every time that you open up Google Photos app and you go to your profile right here, it will start saying preparing backup, and it'll start backing up Google Photos. So as long as the app is open, it is already being backed up.